Hello guys, it's Kizz TV. If you're new, you're welcome, and if you're returning, welcome back. Before we get right into the video of today, if you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe, like this video, and also drop a comment. So guys, there's a video trending right now as I speak, and it has to do with the Flamingos match against New Zealand, where in celebration of the third goal by Taiwo, the Nigerian girls were quick to showcase the dance of the trending song Cough by Kizz, who was so happy after seeing Nigerian players celebrating with a song that hasn't reached 24 hours on the music chart. See, like play, this song is going to be like Kizz last hit song titled Buga, because as it be like this, me myself, I don't stream and reach 2,000 times. Just watch the happy moment, Sha, and tell me what you think about it in the comment section. Here is the video. So guys, so now let's see as the matter be now. A big shout out to Kizz aka Vado on this one, and also a big shout out to the Flamingos over their win against New Zealand. Meanwhile, if you enjoyed this video from the beginning to this moment, please do subscribe and also like and share this video to your loved ones and friends. And finally, don't forget to tell me what you think about this video in the comment section. See you all on my next video. I'm out. Oh shit.